Hello everybody, welcome to Being Civil. This is video number 17 of our series OpenSTAAD tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will extract different beam properties like width, depth, area, moment of inertia, flange thickness, wave thickness of the beam number that we will input here. All the data will be extracted from STAAD to Excel, and we will also extract the section name. Extracting section name we have already discussed in my previous videos. We will discuss here also. This extracting section name is not important for extracting the properties, but we extracted this for making this table more meaningful. So let's get started. So first we have to declare variables. We need variable for storing the beam number. It is the long time variable, and all the beam properties will be different variables. All will be of double type. So you see width, depth, x, ay, az, ix, iy, iz, and tf and tw all are double type variable. So variable declaration is done. Now we have to do a for loop for the beam numbers. So we need the for loop for I equal to the row number is starting from here is 2 to last row number here is 3. So 2 to 3. Later we will generalize this instead of hard coding the number 3. So next I. So this is our for loop. Here we will first store the beam number. This is from column number 1 and cell will be I. So this is the beam number. Now we will get the section name. The OpenSTAAD function to get the section name is your OpenSTAAD object dot property dot get beam section name, and you have to pass the beam number. And to get all the properties, you have to write this. So your same OpenSTAAD object dot property and get beam property all. Here you have to pass beam number and you have to write down all the property name here. So at this stage your property values will be stored here. Now you have to write this in Excel. So first we have to write the section name in column number 2. So this is, and you have to write from column number 3 onwards all the property. So I am pasting all at once. So from column number 3 to column number 12 you have to write this. So if we run this code now, I am running first step by step. See the local window. So beam number now is 87. I am deleting this. So now it is 87. Section, you can say the section is W1468. Then see the result is true, means all the beam properties has been extracted and the property value are showing here. And now it will write the values in the Excel. Now you see that my width unit is millimeter, x is millimeter square, but these values are not in that unit. So you have to multiply this width from meter to millimeter like this for all the values. So it will be like this to get the desired input in my unit. So you have to modify this as per your unit. So I am running this again. So you get all the values. So let's check it. So 87 property is 1468, AX is 12903. Here also you can see 12903. You can see all the properties here. TF 18.288, TW wave thickness 10.541, and done. So now let's without hard coding this, we will dynamically extract the last row. You have to write down just this line. It will get the last row of this column number A. So instead of writing 3 here, we will write last row. That's all. So if I add another beam number 89, 128, 81 and hit this button, all the property will be extracted here. And another thing, if you want to do this exercise for selected beam numbers or for all the beam numbers, I have already discussed how to get all beams, get selected beams, run the function get selected beams or get all beams in this column. Then you just click this, all will be extracted here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. See you in the next video.